Paris in the late 19th century was a city brimming with ambition. It yearned to outshine its rivals on the world stage. The year 1889 marked the centennial of the French Revolution. France planned a spectacular world fair to commemorate the occasion. The French government wanted a symbol, a monument for their fair. This monument would capture the spirit of progress and innovation. It had to be something unique, something audacious, something the world had never seen before. The idea for a tower wasn't entirely new. Earlier concepts for towering structures had been explored, however none had been realized on such a grand scale. This time the stars seemed aligned. The ambition, the technology, and the national pride all converged. France was ready to reach for the sky. In 1886, a call for proposals went out to all of France. The government sought designs for a metal tower. It was to be 300 meters tall and situated on the Champ de Mars. This was no ordinary competition. The eyes of the world were watching. Over 100 designs were submitted, each more ambitious than the last. Some proposed towering elephants, others colossal fountains. Some were elegant, others downright bizarre. A jury of experts was assembled to review the entries. They sought a design that was not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound. The winning design, chosen from a pool of over 100 entries, was a testament to engineering brilliance. The name Gustave Eiffel, synonymous with innovative metal structures, would forever be etched in history. Gustave Eiffel, already a renowned bridge builder, proposed a structure of unprecedented scale. His tower, made entirely of iron latticework, was both daring and elegant. Eiffel's design was not merely functional, it was a work of art. He envisioned a structure that seemed to defy gravity. The tower would taper gracefully towards the heavens. The four massive legs, anchored firmly in concrete foundations, would soar upwards. They would meet in a central point, creating a sense of uplift and lightness. Eiffel's calculations were precise, his vision clear. He understood the properties of iron like a painter understood his palette. His tower wouldn't be a solid mass, but a delicate dance of metal and air. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of the age of industry. The construction of the Eiffel Tower was a feat of logistics and manpower. Over 300 workers, skilled in metalwork and riveting, toiled tirelessly on the project. The tower was assembled on site, piece by piece. Over 18,000 individual pieces of wrought iron were used. Each one had been meticulously designed and prefabricated at Eiffel's factory on the outskirts of Paris. These pieces were then transported to the Champ de Mars. Massive cranes, powered by steam engines, hoisted the pieces into place. The workers, perched precariously on scaffolding hundreds of feet above the ground, connected them using over 2.5 million rivets. The rhythmic clang of hammers, a symphony in iron, echoed across the city. The construction of such a monumental structure was not without its challenges. Skeptics questioned the tower's stability. They predicted it would collapse under its own weight. Eiffel, however, remained confident in his calculations. He employed innovative techniques to ensure the tower's strength and durability. The tower's curved form, far from being merely aesthetic, was crucial to its stability. It was designed to withstand the strong winds that often buffeted Paris. Eiffel also insisted on using high-quality iron. This was carefully tested for its strength and resilience. To address concerns about swaying, Eiffel incorporated a system of flexible joints into the structure. These allowed the tower to move slightly with the wind, rather than resisting it. His foresight and meticulous attention to detail ensured that the tower could withstand not only the elements, but also the test of time. As the tower rose above the Paris skyline, it began to divide public opinion. The Eiffel Tower, designed by the engineer Gustave Eiffel, was initially met with mixed reactions. Some saw it as a marvel of modern engineering, a symbol of progress and innovation. Others, however, viewed it as an eyesore, a stark contrast to the classical architecture that Paris was known for. Many Parisians were awestruck by its sheer scale and audacity. The tower, which was to be the centerpiece of the 1889 Exposition Universelle, stood as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. It was unlike anything the world had ever seen, and for many, it was a source of immense pride. They flocked to the Champ de Mars to witness the construction. Families, tourists, and curious onlookers gathered daily, watching in awe as the iron structure grew taller and taller. The construction site became a popular attraction, drawing people from all walks of life. They marveled at the ingenuity of the engineers and the bravery of the workers. The construction process was a feat of engineering, involving thousands of iron pieces and countless hours of labor. The workers, often seen balancing precariously on the iron beams, became heroes in the eyes of many Parisians. Others, however, were less impressed. They saw the tower as an affront to the city's aesthetic, a monstrosity that clashed with Paris's elegant and historic buildings. The debate over the tower's presence was fierce and passionate. They viewed the tower as a monstrous eyesore, a blot on the city's elegant landscape. Critics argued that the iron structure was too industrial, too modern, and too out of place in a city known for its beauty and charm. A group of prominent artists and intellectuals, including Guy de Maupassant and Charles Garnier, signed a petition condemning the tower. They were vocal in their opposition, using their influence to rally others against the project. They called it a useless and monstrous Eiffel Tower. The petition described the tower as a gigantic black smokestack that overshadowed the city's more refined landmarks. Their words echoed the sentiments of many who feared that the tower would forever alter the character of Paris. Despite the controversy, the construction continued. Gustave Eiffel and his team remained undeterred, pushing forward with their vision. They believed in the tower's potential to become an iconic symbol of Paris. On March 31, 1889, just over 2 years after work began, the Eiffel Tower was completed. The completion marked a significant milestone, not just for Paris, but for the world. It stood as a beacon of innovation and a testament to what could be achieved with determination and creativity. Gustave Eiffel himself climbed the 1,710 steps to the top. His ascent was a symbolic gesture, representing the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. He raised a French flag marking the completion of his masterpiece. The Eiffel Tower, once a subject of controversy, would go on to become one of the most recognizable and beloved landmarks in the world, a true icon of Paris. The Eiffel Tower was an instant sensation. When it was unveiled to the world at the 1889 World Fair, it captured the imagination of people from all corners of the globe. Millions of visitors flocked to the 1889 World Fair to see the tower. They were eager to witness this marvel of engineering and design, which stood as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. They rode the newly installed elevators to the observation decks. These elevators were a technological wonder in their own right, allowing people to ascend to unprecedented heights with ease and safety. From there, they marveled at the panoramic views of Paris. The city unfolded beneath them like a living tapestry, with its iconic landmarks and bustling streets stretching out as far as the eye could see. Even the tower's most ardent critics had to admit that it offered a unique perspective on the city. Initially, many had opposed its construction, calling it an eyesore and a blight on the Parisian skyline. The Eiffel Tower quickly became a symbol of France's industrial might and architectural prowess. It represented the nation's forward-thinking spirit and its ability to push the boundaries of what was possible. It was a testament to the nation's resilience and its ability to overcome challenges. Throughout its history, the tower has stood tall through wars, economic hardships, and social changes, always emerging stronger and more beloved. The tower also played a crucial role in the development of radio communication. In the early 20th century, its height made it an ideal location for antennas, facilitating the transmission of signals over long distances. Its height made it an ideal location for antennas. This innovation helped to usher in a new era of communication, connecting people in ways that had never been possible before. In the decades that followed, the Eiffel Tower weathered storms, wars, and the changing tides of public opinion. It stood as a beacon of hope and endurance, a constant in a world of flux. It emerged as one of the most recognizable and beloved landmarks in the world. Today, the Eiffel Tower continues to inspire awe and admiration, a timeless symbol of human achievement and the enduring legacy of innovation. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands as a timeless symbol of Paris and France. Rising majestically above the city, it captures the imagination of millions who visit each year. Its iron lattice structure, once considered controversial, is now celebrated as a masterpiece of engineering and design. It has transcended its origins as a temporary exhibit at a world fair. Originally intended to be dismantled after 20 years, the tower's popularity and the advent of radio technology saved it from demolition. It became a crucial part of France's communication network. It has become an enduring emblem of human ingenuity, ambition, and artistic expression. Gustave Eiffel, the visionary engineer behind the tower, saw it as a testament to modern science and industry. His vision has stood the test of time, inspiring countless engineers and artists. Over 250 million people have visited the Eiffel Tower since its construction. From world leaders to everyday tourists, the tower has welcomed a diverse array of visitors, each leaving with their own unique memories and stories. It continues to inspire awe and wonder in equal measure. The tower's nightly illumination, a dazzling display of lights, captivates onlookers and adds to its magical allure. It stands as a beacon of light, guiding and inspiring those who gaze upon it. The tower's image is instantly recognizable around the globe. Whether seen in person or through photographs, its silhouette is synonymous with the romance and charm of Paris. It has become a global icon, representing not just a city, but an ideal. It has been featured in countless films, books, and works of art. From classic cinema to contemporary literature, the Eiffel Tower serves as a backdrop and muse, inspiring creativity across various mediums. Its presence in popular culture cements its status as a cultural landmark. It serves as a reminder of the power of human imagination, and our ability to create structures that defy both gravity and the passage of time. The intricate ironwork, a marvel of 19th century engineering, continues to impress and inspire those who study its design. The Eiffel Tower is not merely a structure of iron and steel, it is a beacon of hope, a testament to human achievement, and a symbol of the enduring allure of Paris. It stands as a reminder that with vision and determination we can create wonders that transcend time and space. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of human ingenuity. It represents the spirit of innovation and the power of dreams. When Gustave Eiffel first envisioned his tower, many thought it impossible, but he persevered, and in doing so, he gave the world more than just a structure. He gave it a symbol of hope, a testament to the human spirit's ability to reach for the sky and touch the stars.